Chapter 4 Subtraction. We know how to subtract 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. Now let us learn the subtraction of 4 digit numbers in the same way. Let's remind. Any number subtracted from 0 is the number itself. Subtraction is done by borrowing from the next digit if necessary. Subtraction is done by arranging the digits in their proper places. We subtract first ones, then tens and finally hundreds. The sign for subtraction is minus and is read as minus. Do these. Revision. 1. Tell me how much. Connections. 2. Subtract. Problem solving. 3. Find the difference of. Problem solving. 4. Fill and drill. Problem solving. 5. Complete the subtraction table. Problem solving. 6. Subtract the following using the number line. Representation. 7. Terms used in subtraction. Example 1. There are 5 birds on a tree. 2 birds fly away. How many birds left on the tree? Solution. To find the answer, we have to subtract 2 from 5. 5 minuend. Minus 2 subtrahend. 3 difference. Here 5 is called minuend. 2 is called subtrahend and 3 is called difference. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Example 2. Find the difference between 8 and 2. Solution. 8 minuend minus 2 subtrahend. 6 difference. You can verify your answer by adding the difference and the subtrahend. The answer must be equal to the minuend. Verification. Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Subtraction without borrowing.
We have learnt the subtraction of 3-digit numbers in previous classes. The same way is followed in subtraction of 4-digit numbers also.
Example 1. Subtract 3532 from 8953. Solution. Arrange the given numbers in proper way according to their places. Step 1. Subtract ones. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Write 1 in ones place. Step 2. Subtract tens. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Write 2 in tens place. Step 3. Subtract hundreds. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Write 4 in hundreds place. Step 4. Subtract thousands. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Write 5 in thousands place. Therefore, 8,953 minus 3,532 is equal to 5,421. Verbal problem. Example 2. On Diwali day, Raju had a stock of 5,693 crackers in his stall. By the end of the day, 1,172 crackers were left in the stall. How many crackers were sold by the end of the day? Solution. Number of crackers in the stall on Diwali day, 5,693. Number of crackers left at the end of the day, 1,172. Number of crackers sold, 5,693 minus 1,172 is equal to 4,521. Do these. 1. Subtract the following. Problem solving. Two. Arrange the following numbers according to their places and subtract. Problem solving. Three. State the minuend, subtrahend and difference. Then verify the answer also. Reasoning proof. Four. Solve the following problems. Problem solving. Subtraction by borrowing 4-digit numbers. Example 1. Subtract 2,986 from 8,652. Solution. Arrange the given numbers in proper way according to their places. Before borrowing. After borrowing. Step 1. Subtract ones. 2 minus 6 is equal to how much? 1. We can't subtract 6 from 2. 2. Borrow 1 tenth from 5 tenths. 3. Then 5 tenths become 4 tenths. 4. 2 ones become 10 plus 2 is equal to 12 ones. 5. Subtract 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Write 6 in ones place. Step 2. Subtract tens. 4 minus 8 is equal to how much? 1. We can't subtract 8 from 4. 2. Borrow 100 from 6 hundreds. 3. Then 6 hundreds become 5 hundreds. 4. 4 tens become 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 tens. 5. Subtract 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Write 6 in tens place. Step 3. Subtract hundreds. 5 minus 9 is equal to how much? 1. We can't subtract 9 from 5. 2. Borrow 1000 from 8000s. 3. Then 8000s become 7000s. 4. 500s become 10 plus 5 is equal to 1500s. 5. Subtract 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Write 6 in hundreds place. Step 4. Subtract thousands. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Write 5 in thousands place. Therefore, 8652 minus 2986 is equal to 5666. Example 2. Subtract 5867 from 9000. Solution. Arrange the numbers according to their places.
As the number 9000 contains 0 in ones, tens and hundreds places, 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 0 ones. 6 tens cannot be subtracted from 0 tens, and 8 hundreds cannot be subtracted from 0 hundreds.
Step 1. We borrow 1000s from thousands place. Thus, 8000s are left in thousands place. Now, we have 10 hundreds in hundreds place. 2. There are no tens in tens place. So, we borrow 100 10 tens from hundreds place. Thus, 9 hundreds are left in hundreds column. We have 10 tens in the tens place. 3. There are no ones in ones place. So we borrow 110, 10 ones from tens place. 9 tens are left in tens place. We have 10 ones in the ones place. Step 2. Subtract ones. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Write 3 in ones place. Step 3. Subtract tens. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Write 3 in tens place. Step 4. Subtract hundreds. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Write 1 in hundreds place. Step 5. Subtract thousands. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Write 3 in thousands place. Thus, 9000 minus 5867 is equal to 3133. Verbal problem. Example 3. There are 5692 students in a school in which 3,998 are boys. Find the number of the girls. Solution: total number of students 5,692. Number of boys 3,998. Number of girls 5,692 minus 3,998 is equal to 1,694. Do these. 2. 1. Find the difference. Problem solving. Two. Subtract. Problem solving. Three. Fill and drill. Reasoning proof. Four. Solve the following problems. Problem solving. Combining. 4. Combining addition and subtraction. While combining addition and subtraction, we follow these rules. A. If addition and subtraction are given together, we must add first and then subtract. Example 1. 665 plus 440 minus 105 is equal to 1105 minus 105 is equal to 1000. Example 2. 300 minus 225 plus 400 is equal to 300 plus 400 minus 225 is equal to 475. B. If there are numbers enclosed within brackets, then they are operated first. Example 1. 450 plus 150 minus 500 is equal to 600 minus 500 is equal to 100. Example 2. 450 minus 150 plus 500 is equal to 300 plus 500 is equal to 800. Do this. 3. Do the following. Problem solving. Fact file. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Example: 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 15 minus 0 is equal to 15. 182 minus 0 is equal to 182. 4860 minus 0 is equal to 4860. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Example: 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 19 minus 19 is equal to 0. 643 minus 643 is equal to 0. 4591 minus 4591 is equal to 0. When we subtract 1 from a number, the difference will be the predecessor of that number. Example: 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. 595 minus 1 is equal to 594. 4863 minus 1 is equal to 4862. Fun time. 1. Help. Connect the lost pilots to their correct aeroplanes with a line. What you have to do is find the difference of the numbers written on the aeroplanes and match them with the number on the pilots' jackets. Fun time. 2. How many? Sami had a bakery. He had the following number of items. Fill in the boxes in the table.